Hello, my name is Stuart Parkinson, and my role is running the Cardiff Deaf Youth Club. Cardiff Deaf Cool Youth Club runs on a Thursday evening at 163 Newport Road in Roath, Cardiff. We're open from 6:30 p.m. till 9 p.m. every week on a Thursday night. Have a look at our Facebook page to find out the different activities we have, such as judo, arts and craft, and also trips. I hope to see you there. Bye!